Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto Unbox channel. Happy Friday wherever you are around the world. Hope you guys have a great weekend ahead of you. And you guys know what time it is. It is time to talk about Milady meme coin. There's a lot of things to discuss. A lot of things I want to make clear for everyone. So if you are a holder, you do want to watch this video till the absolute end. So if we're looking at the price, you guys can see there's still about 7 zeros in front of the price, currently sitting at 72,773. We're down about 13% over the last 24 hours. In USD comparative, also down about 15% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, currently almost approaching that $64 million mark, and the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at 24.1 million. But now let's shift our focus towards their Twitter and see if there's new followers coming in. And definitely you guys can see there are new community members that are joining. And we're currently sitting at 60,200 followers on Twitter, which is of course a good thing to point out to you guys. But now let's shift our focus on the holder account. You know how important the holder account really is. We examine this on a daily basis to really see side by side from the previous day as to what the holders are doing. Are we seeing holders selling? Are we seeing new holders coming in? And today, as of May 19th, you guys can see over the last few hours, we have seen some holders sell and go elsewhere. And you guys can see this for yourself. About 1% decrease in the holder account over the past 24 hours. But is this a time to worry? That's what everyone wants to know. Is this really a time to be panicking like crazy? And I need a lot of you guys to tune in. Whether or not you hold ladies or not, you do want to watch this till the end. So before we get into the analysis, of course you guys know that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. And you guys can see we're approaching that $65 million mark. But I have a lot of things to cover. One thing is, first and foremost, let's make one thing clear. I did see one or two people, the same two people, comment on my videos. I know all of you guys understand that. I read the disclaimer. The reason I read the disclaimer, and I always tell you guys how risky this meme coin market is. I'm just doing analysis on these videos, and I'm really going to show you what my personal opinion is. And on every single video of mine, I've always said invest what you can afford to lose in meme coins. And even if you are okay to lose $100, for example, invest half of that. And I've said this in every single video. So, guess what? You are overinvested and you are doing this to yourself. So, of course, as I say, always invest what you can afford to lose. But people do what they want to do at the end of the day. But that's the risk that's going to come with a meme coin market. And I've told you guys this before. You guys can go watch all my videos. These markets are highly manipulated. Whales can really shake out the weak hands quite fast. And as far as Milady is concerned, now that I have that out of the way, as far as Milady is concerned, what is the future? What is next? So you guys can see this for yourself. You cannot make it up. I left this line from yesterday's video. You guys can see I did say that this is a support line. If this support line does not hold, we could see the price go lower. And as a matter of fact, we did see exactly that happen. Once we lost this support, we saw the price of Milady drop another 20%. You guys can go watch my previous video. That's exactly what we projected. And that's exactly what we really saw happen for the price. But now comes the question, what is next? Is this the bottom? So, one thing I want everyone to remember is, just because we're seeing a little bit of a consolidation happen within the price, does not mean everything is over. The community is still really strong. And these meme coins are going to have sometimes in front of them that could really shake out some newcomers in the markets and the weak hands. And that's the main goal of the whales. We've seen Milady get listed on some top tier 1 exchanges. And these exchanges are listing it because they see potential. And the community is growing at a tremendous rate. This coin is only about 11 days old. Guys, give it a break. You're not going to see rocket ships left and right. I want you guys to know that. You're not going to see rocket ships left and right. There's going to be time where it's going to be shakiness. A lot of consolidation happening. And that's where your patience is really going to be tested. But I really still do believe everyone still has a high confidence in themselves that Elon Musk is going to put that tweet out again with that logo. Of course, you guys know what I'm talking about. He tweeted something with this Milady logo, and people went crazy. Milady coin went crazy. But of course, people are going to take profits. And you cannot get mad at that. You cannot get mad at that. And this is what I've been telling you guys from the daily basis. In the meme coin market, if this goes with altcoins too, if you are sitting at some massive profits, and you're looking at your portfolio going, wow, that is a lot of money. I can do a lot of things with it. Guess what? If you don't lock those profits in, someone else will do it before you. And that's what people don't understand. But I know I'm not saying this to everyone. I know some people do understand. And when it comes to meme coins, I've always said this: if you have invested where you can afford to lose, then patience is your #1 key to follow. That's all you need to do. But right now, what we're seeing is, of course, we did lose this level of support. But of course, now we are headed into the weekend. And as you guys know, historically speaking, as of the month of April and even May, we're seeing weekends really be a positive time for some meme coins. So we could potentially see Milady making a move back towards this level of resistance. But now, first and foremost, we do need to see the price get above this level of resistance right now. This is what I need Milady to do as soon as possible. We need the price above this level of resistance, which would be a move of about 14%. I think we can reclaim this zone quite fast. As long as the price, guys, here, this is what I want to tell you guys. As long as the price is staying above this level of resistance, I'm okay. I'm personally okay with it. And then, of course, we will retest that level of resistance eventually and break out of it. That's where the fireworks begin. Nothing has changed on that. My stance on the breakout has not changed. The breakout only happens when we break out of this level of resistance. And that's when I am expecting a massive move towards the upside for Milady. And the community speaks for itself. The amount of community members that really believe in this project is there. And at the end of the day, community plays a massive role in terms of success and hype factor. And the hype factor is still there. The volume is still there. And remember, the coin is literally 11 days old. So we need to give it a break. We did see Pepe see these kind of consolidations happen as well. So remember, guys, this is meme coins. If you don't lock in profit, someone else will do so. But is this the end? I don't think this is the end. I do think Milady has still a lot of steam left in itself to hit near all-time highs. But again, that's my own personal opinion. Only time is going to tell. But what I'm seeing right now is just, of course, some people selling whales, manipulating, and remember, futures trading can really cause a lot of manipulation. And that's why I want you guys to stay away from futures trading at all costs. If you want to say bye-bye to your money, fall for these futures trading platforms, then you can go ahead and do that. But if you're a viewer of mine, I don't want any of my viewers trading on these futures trading. This is pure, I would literally say that's like the worst thing about crypto, to be quite frank with you guys, and I don't want any of you guys really playing with futures trading. But this is my current analysis on it right now. Of course, I would like, as soon as possible, for the price of Milady to reclaim that level of resistance. And if we're looking at Bitcoin, guys, Bitcoin is once again fighting between the bulls and the bears, or having a massive fight right now to keep the price of Bitcoin in the 61.8 for the bulls and the 78.6 for the bears. So that is a factor we do need to keep in mind too. I hope you guys know that, because now Milady is listed on a centralized exchange, so this will have an impact on it as well. But I would love to know your thoughts down below. Do you guys think we're about to see a massive move over the weekend? Or do you think we're going to see some consolidation? Let me know in the comments section. Let me know which other meme coins you guys want me to cover. Love you all. See you tomorrow. This is Crypto Unbox, and peace out.